and welcome back to the PBIS Rewards Discovery Series. Let's quickly review group features. From your home screen, you want to click on Groups on the left-hand side. From this screen, I want to choose the group that I'm going to be working with, and for the purpose of today, we're going to choose Mr. Black's Mathematicians. So today, Logan came into class, and Logan was very calm coming in. So I'm going to do a cell check. Remember, cell is always going to have a heart with a check in it. So I'm going to click on that and then click on Submit Cell Check. Again, Logan entered class calmly today. And then I'm going to click Submit and Confirm. Once you do that, the system will show you right up here at the top that your cell check-in was successful. Another option available to us from this screen is authorization. So I'm going to leave Logan highlighted here, and I'm going to authorize Logan. And I'm going to click on individual code. That'll give me a code just for Logan. Now up here at the top, you want to choose how long that will be activated for. Let's go for 30 minutes. And then generate that code. Once that code is generated, you can print from here, or you could simply copy this and give that code to Logan. Another feature available here is messaging. So let's select all of our students and click on messaging. Now from here, I can either send a message to a parent of one student or to the parents of my whole group. Maybe for one student, I would send something like, Blake did a great job today. Or if I wanted to do it for the whole group, I might say, today was a great day in Mr. Black's class. Or reminder, tomorrow we get out of school early. This is what this feature is used for. There are also other available features from this screen, including redeeming from the store, redeeming from events, or redeeming from raffles. Thank you for joining us today to review group features. Please come back next time to learn more about rewarding from our Discovery series. Thank you so much.